Today, we will learn this text effect in just 3 minutes. Go to Text Tool and select your favorite font. Go to Layer Panel and right-click Text Layer, then select Rasterize Type. Press Ctrl+T to transform, then right-click and select Distort and adjust according to your needs. Follow the process. Go to the toolbar and select Smudge Tool, then choose Soft Rounded Brush, and change the brush angle, then follow the process. Roughly doing it, so you can take your time to make everything perfectly and looks better. Go to the Layer panel and select Gradient Map. You have to download this Gradient Map free folder. Let's jump into Google and search Photoshop 200 Gradient Map free download, then download it for free. Select your favorite gradient and follow the process. Once you are satisfied, go to the Filter menu, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Again, go to the Filter, select Noise, and add noise. Subscribe my channel for more videos.